So we'll start with another function used for pattern matching, which is like function. Pattern matching like function. So we will write a comment: pull all rows from employee table where first name of the employee starts with letter A. Select star from employee where F name like A percentage. Okay, so here we'll write a comment. Percentage means percentage is equal to anything. What does it mean? We have to select all the rows and columns from which table? Employee table, and the condition is where F name, which is first name, like. What does it mean? That the word should start with letter A and anything can come after that. Percentage means percentage is equal to anything. So we'll run this and see the result for more clarification. See, we got first name as all the names starting with letter A and anything can come after that. So these are the two names which we have got. Similarly, we'll see more examples to get more clarity. So we have to pull all rows from employee table where first name of the employee ends with letter A. Select star from employee where F name like. So what we have to do, we have to select all the rows from employee table where first name of the employee ends with letter A. It means we have to use percentage sign and the last word would be A. Like this. So we will run this and see the result. See here, the last word is A and anything can come with in the beginning. So this is the result which we have got. We will see another example. Pull all rows from employee table where first name has letter A in it at second position select star from employee where name like. Where F name like underscore A percentage. Underscore A means one letter can come here, after that A should be there, and anything can come after A. For that we have used percentage. Now we'll run this and see the result. See, like this we have A in between, we have A in this also, and anything which is A at the second position. So we use underscore. And if we want that, we have to pull all the rows, sorry, we have to pull all the rows, and it should come at second position from the last. So how we will write that? Select star from employee where f name like so at the second last position you can see A is there. So this is how we do the pattern matching. And if we use if we take one multiple condition case, so pull all rows from employee table where first name has letter A in it or department number is 5. So the try to write it yourself and then see the answer. Select all the rows star from table name employee where f name like percentage, like first name has letter A, so anything can come after and before and after A, so it should be in between, and or DNO department number is equal to 5. So we'll see the result. See, department number is 5 in this case, and in these cases we can see that A is coming. F name. Or select star from employee name like we'll see now not condition. So we have to pull all rows from employee table where department number is not 5. So we will write, there are 3 ways by which we can write not in condition. So select star from employee where department number is not equal to 5, like this. Let us run this. So we got department number is not 5 here, it is 1 and 4, you can see. Or else we can write like this, where department number is not equal to 5, like this. Let's run this. See, we got the same. And or else we can also write it like where the department, where not department number is equal to 5. So we'll run this and see, we got the same result. So this is about the not condition. Mostly we prefer to write, select any one and use it always, because if you will keep changing the way of writing not in condition, it will create problems. So select any one and use it. It's a personal choice. All the three are correct otherwise. Now if we want to pull all the rows from employee table where salary is greater than equal to 30,000 and salary is less than equal to 40,000. So we can write as select star from employee where salary is greater than equal to 30,000 and salary is less than equal to 40,000. Now we'll run this. Now you can see the result. Salary is equal to or greater than 30,000 and less than equal to 40,000. Okay, now so this was the case, and now we will see between operator. Okay, so between operator, if you want to see, let me write one example. Select star from employee where salary between 30,000 and 40,000. Now we'll see what result do we get. So we are getting 30,000, 40,000. So if we are using between operator, then the ranges which we are taking, it is inclusive. We can see that we are getting 30,000, 40,000, 38,000. So these are inclusive. Okay. Now let me write one thing. Select star from employee where salary is greater than 30,000 and salary is less than 40,000. Okay, and we'll run this. So we can see that we are getting select greater than 30,000. Now we are not getting the 30,000 and 40,000 because it is greater than. So the above this query and above query are not the same. Now if we want to filter all rows from employee table where department number is either 1 or 4 or 5, so how we can write? We can write select star from employee where department number is equal to 1, department number is equal to 1, okay, or department number is equal to 4, or department number is equal to 5. So we have to use or again and again. But what else we can do here is we can also use the in operator. So it will get more easy, like select star from employee where department number in 1, 4, 5, and we can see that we can get the result. Okay, we are getting the result, so there is no need to use or again and again. We can use in operator instead of that. And next is, if we want to pull, if we want to filter all rows from employee table where department number is neither 5 nor 1, so we can write select star from employee where department number is not 5 and department number is not 1. So we got the 4 department number. We can write select star from employee where department number not in 1, 5. What's the problem here? Okay, so we have written wrong WH here, where now we can run this. So we got the same answer as 4. So we can practice more questions like this.